On January 26th, McMaster students are not just voting for their new president.
They're voting on a major change to the MSU structure, a change that will enhance your voice on campus.
Currently, McMaster is only one of 2 schools that does not elect their vice president.
These people make important decisions on policy, represent your needs to the university, and even hold important positions when advocating on policy to government.
But how can these people be accountable to you when you have no say who they are? What's up with that?
We'd like to think that there are many qualified and talented students on this campus and that everyone should have an equal opportunity to fill and elect these spots.
But this is about more than our vice presidents.
This is about free and fair elections.
And this is about having a say as to where we wish to invest our student money.
So on January 26th, vote yes to electing your vice presidents.
Vote yes to giving students a say in their student union.
Your voice, your choice.
C'est votre voix et votre choix.
It's your voice, your choice.
Your voice, your choice.
Your voice, your choice.
Your voice, your choice.
Your voice,